I'm going to give you one more sign that deals with the rain that falls from heaven to earth, which we enjoy. Rain is life. There's water is life. Without water, we can't live. And today, wallahi, I was watching, a program in Accra yesterday. I was in Accra yesterday. And so the weather forecast, Ghana is okay, today is going to rain, tomorrow is going. In the United States, they give us like a week or 10 days weather forecast. It's going to rain. Tomorrow it will start 2 o'clock, wallahi, and it will stop around 2:15. Then the sun is going to come out a little bit, but the cloud is going to be a little bit dim. They tell you exactly what will happen. 10 days. But only in Seattle, Washington, where I live, is the only place we get 3 weeks forecast. And wallahi, I swear by Allah, it's almost the same. This is the knowledge that they research the earth. The cloud that you see in the heaven, you think generally it's what? No, it's different cloud. We have the clouds that call hurricane, the clouds that call tornado, the clouds that cause rain. Clouds are on different aspects. Scientists, they know. Meteorologists, those who specialize on the atmospheric pressure, they know the different movement of the cloud. They can tell clearly because it's their science. Now, they are telling us today, before rainfall, it undergoes 3 principles. Number 1, anytime rain is about to fall, look at the heaven. You will see small clouds moving independently. Dark clouds moving. Science call that cumulus clouds. If these clouds come together as one, it becomes cumulonimbus. Then it begins to move on like a cloud. You see it. Yeah. It moves like a cloud. That's called updrafts. The higher it goes, the cooler it becomes. Then rain starts falling out of it. That's 3 principles. The Quran gave us a beautiful form of the 3 projection of rainfall. So the Quran says in the Quran, Alam tara anna Allah yuzji sahaban thumma yu'allifu baynahu thumma yaj'aluhu rukaman fatara al-wadqa yakhraju min hilalihi. Do they not see how we move the clouds gently? Then we join them together. When it acquires that strength, it begins to move, and then rain starts coming out of it. How could a man? How? I mean, it's like mind-boggling. And then they say, scientists, the rain that falls, it doesn't just fall haphazardly, like rain here. No. It's measured. Because today we know when barometer was created to study and to measure the rain gauge. So we know how many rainfall in the world, every hour, every second. We know because they have a big telescope that they can study the rain. Whatever rainfall, science can tell you exactly. Now they are telling us that every second we have 16 million tons of water that fall from the heaven to the earth every second.
Allahu Akbar.
That means every year we have 350 trillion tons of water fall from heaven to the earth. The same amount also mounts. The same amount, it's like balancing the equilibrium. Yeah. The same amount comes down and the same amount goes up. So Allah said about the rain, we send down the water. وَأَنزَلَ مِنَ السَّمَاءِ مَاءً بِقَدَرٍ. We send down the water from the heaven in a measured form. That's the key word. وَأَنزَلَ مِنَ السَّمَاءِ مَاءً بِقَدَرٍ فَأَنشَرْنَا بِهِ بَيْتًا كَذَلِكَ to the end of the word. But what I'm looking for is وَأَنزَلَ مِنَ السَّمَاءِ مَاءً بِقَدَرٍ. We send down the water from the heaven in a measured form. Science say every year we have 350 trillion tons of water, and then 16 million tons of water every second. In other words, it's measured. It doesn't fall haphazardly. It's measured. How could Muhammad look at the heaven and say, you know what, I'm going to write in the Quran that the water is measured so that they will know that the Quran is true? How? Is it possible? No. This information is how we deliver the message to the people who think about science. And alhamdulillah, we have millions and thousands. When I went to America, we have less than 1.5 million Muslims in America.
Allahu Akbar.
But today, we are boasting with over 20 million souls in America that have given their will to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala.
Allahu Akbar.
These are intellectuals too.
Allahu Akbar.
Not just ordinary persons.
It's